Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to import custom text in CapCut. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is go to any website and download some fonts, and once you download and install fonts on your computer, what you can do is, let's say if you import a video onto your timeline and add a text on top of it. Here when you click on your text, you'll be able to see that in front of font we have our system fonts that are installed on your computer, which means your local storage. And here you'll be able to see that the font that you installed will be displayed in here and you can use it easily. That's a pretty simple process on how to use custom fonts and download it from internet as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.